What's up, my beautiful flowers, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Elisha, but I go by Eli. And if you're not new here, welcome back, my beautiful flower. I hope you guys have been having an amazing day already so far. But as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we will be doing a vlog for my moving vlog. Now, I don't know how I will be separating these videos, but for the sake of this video alone, it is just the process of me packing, getting everything packed. And then next week will be my actually moving, settling in video. So if you like to watch packing videos, I know I do, so that was one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to post something like this. Now, I actually recorded an intro, but for some odd reason my camera was still recording in slow-mo, so I still have the clips that I've done. But today is actually day 2 of our moving vlog, and so I actually got a lot done yesterday. I'll go ahead and show you guys a clip right now. But today we are actually going to finish up the rest of my room. I will show you guys what she's looking like, but she's looking a hot mess, and I kind of want to organize her a little bit before I show her what I'm looking like. I'll probably just show you guys the after what I'm finished, you know. But let's go ahead and start packing, because I need to stop procrastinating and get the groove on. So let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm literally back, and it's been a while. As you can tell, the shade, she's down. Currently, this is what we're working with. I went ahead and I emptied this organizer as well as this one, and I also cleaned them, and I have 2 boxes full of stuff. So I have 2 boxes. That's like an extra large box. No, it's a large. That one's a large. This one is a medium. And then I just organized the rest of my stuff back here. I also organized this one because that has all of like my nail stuff and everything. I organized this one on the top. It has like my tattoo stuff and everything. And this is what I'm working with. This is my work area now. I'll bring you guys along with the rest of the stuff that I'm doing. I shouldn't be doing too much else because it's currently 6:58, so it's about to be 7. And I kind of want to like start making dinner, start figuring out what I'm going to eat around like 7:30, around 7. So we're going to go ahead and do this last blue bag, and then I'm going to like prep my dinner, and then I'm going to come back and clean as my dinner is like cooking. So let's just get into it before I blabber. That was so goddamn heavy, okay? So fucking heavy. Alright, y'all, it's currently 7:19. I went ahead and I packed up a little bit more, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is everything that's packed right now. There's my dog, Venus. So this is everything. It's a lot of stuff. I still have my vanity to like break down and to like put away and stuff, but some of that stuff I'll be putting with my clothes. So I haven't even went in my closet yet, so that's why it's still there. But there's a couple of stuff that I still have to do in this vicinity area, but overall I want to say mainly like 98% of everything is finished in here. So it's really just like finishing touches, to be honest. That's all that I have to do left. Other than that, tomorrow we will be hitting my kitchen. I'm not prepared. But let me go ahead and end off today, okay? So it's successful day 2. We gonna grind tomorrow for day 3, because we move on Friday, y'all. We move Friday and it's already Tuesday. It's gonna be Wednesday tomorrow. The time is just flying, but yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right, peace. What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It is day 3 of moving vlog, and today that is so dark. Sorry, y'all. Today we are hitting my kitchen. I'm actually pretty exhausted because of, womanly things, and I'm actually happy that I have a smaller area to get done today since it won't take me that long. So let's go ahead so I can show you guys what I have to do today. This is currently what she's looking like. It's just my studio kitchen. I have a couple of dishes, whatever. I have like pots and pans and Tupperware down there. I have a cabinet full of stuff. I have more stuff up there, stuff in there. My refrigerator and stuff like that, that'll be packed on Friday. But as of today, oh, check out Cleo, y'all. She's sunbathing. Hold on, let me show you guys a clip. She right there. Before I start rambling, because that's usually what I always fucking do, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing. I have 4 boxes. Two of them are larges, 2 of them are smalls, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 totes, and then my boyfriend brought me 2 IKEA bags, 2 large IKEA bags. So we're gonna go ahead and use those to continue to pack. guys, so I literally got so much done. I'm so up close and personal. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to you guys' like phones and stuff, but I emptied out all of this. Oh, I might as well take this out. Drawer is empty. This is just full with a couple of silverware for me to use through till Friday. This is empty. Is empty. It's just some cleaning supplies. Then I went ahead and I got all of this. Everything is packed in bags. I got stuff like my food, teas, and then I have more food that was in the pantry. These are all my spices, my pots and pans, my dishes, all of that jazz. It is currently 6:44 and I'm actually going to do one more thing before I finish for the day, and that is my bathroom.
Freaky little, sneaky little, creepy little whack bitch, creeping on me, speaking on me, sleeping on me, mattress. Now I got some bands to burn and bars to bend them backwards. It's time to wake them up cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress. Gangsters giving actress and all these fake activists. Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to pull it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I try my cutlery and hit my ruler up. Tell a bitch who right. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jula. Hating bitches plug my Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot at them in my.
Alright y'all, I just finished what I can do today for the bathroom. Sorry, I'm opening a bag. That's all I have for today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. It's time for me to eat dinner. It's time for me to get my dirty butt in the shower and get ready to go to bed soon, so that way I can go to work tomorrow, because I work Monday through Friday. So please bear with me. What's up y'all? It's officially day 4. Oh my god, the last day for this vlog, and I am so fucking ready to be done with moving. Today we are going to finish packing everything, so I have a lot to do. I'm gonna start off with my closet over there and honestly just go from there. What's up y'all, I'm back and I just wanted to go ahead and film my outro, as well as show you guys what I did, what I finished. Do I have stuff on my face? I just ate dinner because I was on the phone with my sister and I was just talking to her and I was just packing and packing, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I finished, what I did. Let me go ahead and turn this light on. So currently I still have a couple of things to do, but really I want to say my apartment is like pretty much packed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did. So everything in here, like I still have a couple of stuff in there, but you know, she's empty now. And I just have a couple of stuff, you know, whatever, a couple of things, but my closet is predominantly empty. I have all my clothes that I'm gonna be hanging up. I left them all hung up, but everything else that will not be hung up was taken out, and I have a whole bunch of velvet hangers. Those drawers are empty. I got box, tote, box, bag, crock pot, my turtle, bags, More stuff. All of the stuff I'm giving away. Then I have my whole living room area is everything that I have packed. My clothes, my chair, everything, like all of this. Those are dirty clothes on my, all of this, like literally everything. That will conclude part 1 of my moving diaries. And tomorrow will be the actual moving situation. Tomorrow will be the actual move-in. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for this video. Sorry guys, I am tired. I need to get in the shower, edit, get in the bed, everything. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little chaotic, I will say. I was a little bit of literally everywhere. Just packing every single day all week this week. And tomorrow is finally Friday. Tomorrow is finally Friday. It's finally move-in day. And tomorrow will be the start of a new video move-in vlog series. Part 2 will be filmed tomorrow of the whole move-in process. So if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. Subscribe, like this video, put on those bell notifications so that way you do get notified the next time I do post. And I hope you guys have a good, lovely rest of your day. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you, my beautiful flowers, later. And I hope you have a good one. All goods to you. My imagination. Whoa! I don't know what the hell I just did, but you know what? Moving on.